SurveyMonkey, a company that conducts online polls, raised $180 million through its upsized initial public offering. Investors backed this company, buying its shares above the marketed price range. Earlier, 13.5 million shares were offered at the price range of $9 to $11 per share. The price now increased to $12 apiece. The company sold 15 million shares. So you see, paid surveys work, and they work like crazy. You may not make a fortune completing surveys for money, but you can get disposable income week after week. Though SurveyMonkey has been around for more than 2 decades, there are new companies that offer paid surveys from home. All you need to do is register. According to the IPO filing, SurveyMonkey has over 16 million active members, out of which 3.8% are paid members. You can earn online money without any investment at all. Check out the link in the description for a hot offer that you may find difficult to resist.